Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
Let's all sit by the fire in the evening.
Yes, let's all tell horror stories.
Oh, poor me. I washed a truck full of curtains. How would I dry them? There's a school inspection tomorrow. I'll spread them and run around to let the wind dry them up. Oh, poor me.
Look at us here. We have to get dry as well. Ooh! Ooh!
It's time for horror stories. Are you ready for this?
Well, I'm out of here.
Hey, where are you going, huh?
All horror stories are stupid. If you've been prepared in advance, then you won't be scared.
Come on, are you scared or what?
No, I'm not scared at all.
If you're not scared, then go to the lake and come back. Do it right now and show us.
And make sure you're not afraid of ghosts.
Ghosts don't exist anyway. You'll see, I'll show you.
George, don't go too far away, please.
Watch me. I'll go to the lake and I'll come back.
George doesn't believe in horror stories. He's so boring.
Hey, listen, why should we be scared of some ghosts?
Right, we wouldn't be scared. But if we were him, of course.
Oh, nothing to be scared of. Ghosts don't exist. I know that because I'm not afraid of anything. Science denies the existence of ghosts. Oh. Phew. Hallucination.
A ghost! Ghost! Hey, what are we? Are we scared of these tents?
I've got a question, guys. Who was it that gave me such a terrible fright in the forest?
We haven't been in the forest.
Is that Mrs. Duff?
Oh, it's so cold here. Oh, and it's so cold here, and to think that I've washed a truck full of curtains. I need to dry them up until tomorrow. That's when the school inspection comes.
Mrs. Duff, let me help you, please.
Ghosts don't exist. They don't. Ghosts don't exist. They don't.
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes. Oh. Huh? you doing here? I was the first to find this tree.
No way, Ethan. I remember that I was the first one here.
No, wait! I was here long before you two.
Guys, no offense, but I ran faster than you did, so I must have been the first. There you go. They scarcely announced the best New Year tree competition till we started arguing. All right, maybe it wasn't me who found this tree first after all.
And not us.
Oh, you are so very kind. Let's assume then that I found it first.
I hope all of you guys remember that hewing trees in the forest is strictly forbidden. Even on the new year.
But where are we supposed to get a tree for the competition?
It's time for you to be original and show your creativity.
Do as you please. I'm going to show my creativity right away. My little New Year tree. My precious.
Is that good or what? Shall I add a chimney place for the presents?
Mom, Dad, my New Year tree doesn't fit in here. Do we really need the ceiling?
Oh.
All right, children. You're all getting awards. Each one of you has created a great New Year tree. But I want to nominate an unexpected winner.
No, well, I can't be a winner. It wouldn't be right. I didn't take part in the competition.
It is not you.
Oh.
Hey, Vera, didn't we plant this tree here last spring?
Uh-huh.
Yes, children. This is the very tree that all the kids from our school have planted and cared for. This is it, the one we've all been looking after. The tree you plant with your own hands is always the best.
Happy New Year!
Awesome movie! With a sword cut in half, then he was alive again. I was on the edge of my seat.
He sat through the whole movie with his eyes shut. He didn't see a thing, I swear. No, I wasn't. I heard everything.
Oh, look, old Billy's house is like the Black Castle in the movie.
What was that?
I can hear someone is snarling. And it's definitely not a steam engine.
It's as if somebody is creeping up on a victim.
Creeping up on a victim.
So Grandpa Billy changes into a monster every moonlit night, just like this tale says right here. What kind of monster can you check up and learn about? It's important. Well, it doesn't actually say here, but it sounds horrible and dangerous. Very dangerous.
Poor old Billy. It's because he's so lonely, I guess. But what if we're wrong about it?
There's only one way to check up our theory, guys, and I think I got it. Guys, I say we wait until the full moon comes out. And then we'll just... What will happen then?
Well, surely, then he'll come out and eat you up. That's what.
Why me? It could be you. I helped Grandpa Billy water his flowers and you didn't, you know.
George, why did you bring a bucket of water?
I heard that, or rather I read in a book that if you water them, they become friendlier. That's it. Guys, the moon is out now. Soon Grandpa Billy will turn the lights off and then... Arnold, put the bucket down. I was only holding it, you know.
What do you know? Everybody needs a bucket.
Oh.
Why did you run away?
Why did you run away? That's it, everyone. Now we need to take action immediately, guys. Okay, bait is delicious food that a monster loves, but he doesn't have any for himself. I don't want to be bait. Besides, you know I'm not delicious at all.
Oh, but you're just a fat guy. Huh. It makes you so yummy, so live with it.
How's he gonna find out that I'm here? Well, first he'll smell you, and then he'll come out and eat you up. I mean, he'll try to, but we'll give him a treat from the bucket. George, I think I don't have any smell at all. Then how? Like this? Oh. No, not appetizing enough. Learn from me. Listen. Ooh!
Huh? That's outrageous! They won't let an old man sleep.
There he is. There. Spill water on him. Quickly now, quickly.
There you are, you naughty kids. Just you wait. Go away. Oh.
I wish I were you. Look at me, I'm all wet. You know what I think? Maybe Grandpa Billy made noises in his sleep like this.
Was he just snoring?
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
It was a really, really dark black night, and a dark black train was sweeping through the really, really dark black streets.
Why are you sitting in the dark, everyone?
Huh? We're getting scared.
What? But why?
Nothing. Just telling stories.
No more stories for tonight. It's too late. It's time to go to sleep now.
Oh no, right in the middle of the mystery.
Oh, never mind. Tomorrow is a new day to tell new stories.
Hello, Ethan. Did you sleep well at night?
Hi there, George. No, not really. I saw horrors all night long and they kept me awake.
Me too. I saw horrors as well. All because of Sam Sparky and all those horror stories.
Oh, hey there, little kids. Didn't sleep tight as always, huh? What? Running to your mommies to hide away, are you?
No
way! I don't believe you. See you around, sissies. Hi there, Vera.
Hi there, Ethan.
Listen, I have an important question to ask.
Tell me what happened, Ethan.
No, nothing. Don't get worried. Do you know what the fear is scared of?
Did you sleep with the lights on too?
Worse, in my parents' bedroom.
Oh my goodness. How can we possibly deal with the fear?
We need to scare it away.
But how?
Well, I don't know. Let's figure out something.
Well, maybe do you think a huge Loco Jumbo Puff could scare it away?
Yeah? But what's scary about this Loco Jumbo Puff thing?
It's huge, it's puffing, and really scary.
No way. I can puff and clutter my wheels anytime I like. Would you be afraid of me if I did that, Vera?
That's so funny.
Vera, you're a genius. And do you know why?
Why, Ethan?
You found the way to scare the fear off for sure. The fear should be afraid of laughter. I'm sure of it. Who are you?
I am your fear. I've come here to scare you. Look how horrifying I am.
You're not horrifying at all.
Oh, really? Is that so? Well, roar, roar, roar. Is that better?
No, don't even try it.
But why not?
Because you have a terribly long green trunk.
What? What have you done to me?
And just look at you. You have long orange ears. Such a funny fear wouldn't scare anyone ever in the whole world.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm gonna show you how horrifying I can be. Oh, 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 oh.
You don't scare me. Fear indeed.
Good morning. Help me, please. I just imagine my Sam Sparky suddenly has a fear of the dark. He's been sleeping in a closet for 2 nights now. I don't know what to do.
Oh, dear. Poor kid.
Oh, hi there. Send Sam Sparky to me and I will teach him to overcome all of his fears. Because now I know how to scare the fear all by myself. Oh, I love science fiction and I love aliens.
And I'm afraid of aliens.
Hey, take care now, Arnold. Don't let aliens abduct you on your way home now.
The aliens, well, they would eat up your engine.
Arnold is not afraid of anything. Aliens do not exist anyway. There are no lights in the fields. They do not exist. Ah! Listen, a night camera can film everything that is invisible in the darkness.
Well, that's really cool. I would film ghosts or aliens. They can't be seen in the darkness, you know. That's really cool.
Ghosts and aliens don't exist, Ethan. My camera films only existing objects that can't be seen during the daytime. Hey, George. The aliens want to eat up my engine. You're smart. You know everything. Do you have any alien repellent or something like that? Well, didn't I tell you? Look, George. Please don't let them eat up my engine.
Hey, kids, what's going on?
Hey, Mr. General. Nothing much. Only that aliens have landed here, and they seem to be out and about eating up engines from Fantastic and maybe from Arnold and Sam Sparky as well. George, please don't let them eat up our engines.
Now listen up, kids. Aliens do not exist. It's just make-believe. So please, I'm asking you to leave the field this instant.
The General knows something.
You know a lot when you're in the military. Hey, George, can we use your camera, please?
Ethan, don't yawn. You're making me yawn too.
I know, it's really contagious.
No, it's not. Not at all.
Alien invasion. Only in Train City. Take a picture with the witness. There were no aliens at all. We know the truth.
We have filmed everything with the camera, and we saw...
This is Dove and me dancing a waltz together. Our only problem is we have no dance pavilion in the city, do we? Now, where on earth are we supposed to learn dancing?
A waltz school. Only in Train City.
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.